The power of patience. Understanding parrot training takes time. Title: The power of patience. Understanding parrot training takes time. Introduction. Parrots are known for their vibrantly colored feathers and fascinating ability to mimic human speech. Many individuals are captivated by their intelligence and charm, leading them to adopt these delicate birds as pets. However, it is crucial to understand that training a parrot requires a great deal of patience, as it is a time-consuming and ongoing process. In this article, we will explore the power of patience in parrot training, emphasizing the time and effort necessary to achieve successful results. 1. Building trust. When embarking on a journey to train a parrot, establishing trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. Parrots are naturally wary of unfamiliar situations and individuals, therefore, patience is key to gaining their confidence. By spending quality time with your parrot, providing a safe environment, and using positive reinforcement, you can gradually earn their trust. Remember, building trust does not happen overnight, and the process may vary for each individual parrot. 2. Understanding parrot behavior. Before diving into parrot training, it is essential to comprehend their behavior and natural instincts. Parrots are highly social creatures, requiring mental stimulation and social interaction. They thrive in environments where their natural instincts are catered to. This understanding will help set realistic expectations and aid in developing training techniques that fit the parrot's individual personality and needs. 3. Consistency and repetition. Parrot training demands consistency and repetition. Like any other learning process, repetition helps parrots associate specific actions or words with desired outcomes. By establishing a consistent routine and using repetition as a teaching tool, parrots can familiarize themselves with the training exercises. It is vital to note that parrots have different learning curves, and some may need more time and reinforcement than others. Patience is key in providing consistent efforts and maintaining the training process over an extended period. 4. Positive reinforcement. Parrots respond well to positive reinforcement. By rewarding desired behaviors with treats, praise, or even a favorite toy, parrots will associate their actions with positive outcomes. This approach is especially effective in encouraging repeated behaviors or teaching new tricks. 5. Shaping and targeting. Shaping and targeting are commonly used techniques in parrot training. Shaping involves rewarding incremental steps towards the desired behavior, gradually molding the parrot's actions to achieve the end goal. Targeting, on the other hand, involves using a specific object, such as a stick or a target wand, to guide the parrot's movements. Patience is vital during these processes, as parrots may take time to understand and respond to shaping and targeting cues. 6. Vocal training. One of the most popular aspects of parrot training is vocal training. Parrots possess an astounding ability to mimic human speech and sounds. However, mastering vocalization requires substantial time, effort, and patience. Patience is necessary to understand that parrots may take weeks or even months to develop their vocabulary. Consistent and gentle encouragement, coupled with positive reinforcement, can help your parrot expand its vocabulary over time. 7. Socialization and enrichment. In addition to training exercises, socialization, and enrichment play a vital role in a parrot's overall well being. Patience is essential when introducing a parrot to new experiences, such as meeting new people or being exposed to unfamiliar environments. Gradual socialization and exposure to various stimuli can help reduce fear and promote a healthy and confident parrot. Enrichment activities, such as puzzle toys, foraging opportunities, and interactive play sessions, are essential for providing mental stimulation and preventing boredom. 8. Overcoming challenges. The journey of parrot training is not without its fair share of challenges. Parrots, like humans, may exhibit stubbornness, fear, or simply a lack of interest. Overcoming these obstacles demands adaptability, and creativity. It is crucial to approach training setbacks as opportunities for growth and to adjust your techniques accordingly. Remember, building a strong rapport with your PA through patience and understanding is key to successfully overcoming challenges together. 9. The role of time. Finally, it is essential to acknowledge that training a parrot takes time. Patience is crucial because progress may not happen as quickly as expected. Each parrot is an individual with its own personality and learning pace. Some parrots may grasp concepts and behaviors faster, while others may need more time and repetition. It is important to remember that pushing a parrot too hard or expecting instant results can lead to frustration for both the trainer and the bird. Instead, embrace the process and allow time for the parrot to understand, absorb, and respond at its own pace. 10. Celebrating small victories. In the journey of parrot training, celebrating small victories is vital. Progress can be slow, and it is essential to appreciate and acknowledge every step forward. Whether it's a new word learned or a successful trick performed, praising and rewarding your parrot for its achievements will motivate and encourage further learning. Small victories build confidence, strengthen the bond between the parrot and its trainer, and make the training process more enjoyable for both parties involved. 11. Seeking professional help. In some cases, seeking professional help may be necessary. While training a parrot can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, it can also be challenging and overwhelming, especially for first-time parrot owners. Professional trainers who specialize in parrot behavior can provide guidance, customized training plans, and support to ensure a successful training journey. They have the knowledge and experience to address specific challenges and offer valuable insights to achieve optimal results. Remember, there is no shame in asking for help, and seeking professional assistance can make a significant difference in the training process. 12. The bond that forms. Through patience and dedication, a strong bond will form between the parrot and its trainer. This bond is not just limited to training sessions but extends to all aspects of the parrot's life. The parrot will begin to trust its trainer, feel safe and secure, and develop a deep connection based on mutual understanding. 13. The benefits of patience. Patience is not only crucial for successful parrot training but also comes with a host of benefits for both the trainer and the parrot. Firstly, patience allows the trainer to stay calm and composed, creating a peaceful and positive training environment. This, in turn, helps the parrot feel at ease and more receptive to training. Additionally, patience allows for better communication and understanding between the trainer and the parrot, as it gives both parties the time they need to learn from each other. Patience also helps build resilience, as setbacks and challenges are inevitable in the Training process. By staying patient, trainers can approach these obstacles with a solutions-oriented mindset and adapt their strategies accordingly. Finally, practicing patience in parrot training can extend beyond the training sessions and teach valuable life lessons about persistence, empathy, and the importance of nurturing relationships. 14. The role of environment.